Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through a brand new boat that we just got in, unwrapped, is here at our Rogers location. This is the all-new Aviara 32 or 32 AV. This particular one, just a beautiful color combination here with the nice dark blue with the white hull and white bottom. This is just a tremendous looking boat, nice big tower up on it. Plenty of features to go over, so let's go to the interior and take a look at what this boat provides. Alright, well, welcome to the interior of the boat. We're going to start back here at the transom, or we like to call the nice big swim platform back here. Can't see it, but underneath is a hydraulic swim platform that will go down into the water for some more enjoyment as you're walking or going in the back with your family or friends. Put this all up together here, so these have backrests that pop up and they can go back down as well. And then also something kind of unique that you don't really see anywhere else are these really cool bar stools. So there's 3 of them here. Obviously they're in the up position right now. You can put them all the way down and flatten everything out for a nice big sun pad as well. So again, nice big place to have fun back here. We do have this pulls out and it is going to cover the sun as well. It's all electric. Press a button and this will be your sure shade that pops all the way out. So as we walk into the boat, there's a nice sea decking all the way through. Walks in, I've got a garbage can in here. I've got seating that wraps all the way around. This particular boat does have the heated seats that are around here. If we come to the entertainment area here, there's a refrigerator that pulls out. Underneath here, these can be popped open. You can add a little bit of ice in there. And then we have a nice big area for a sink to wash your hands, whatever else you might need. We've got a very nice large pull-out cooler carry-on, so that can be taken in and out as you need. We do have the Clips sound system, so you've got speakers in there, one there, they're up in the towers as well. There's a whole lighting package for the interior as well. If we come up towards the helm, we've got 2 bolster seats right here, so you can either sit there or you can stand as you're driving. And we got a little footwell here. We've got 3 different screens. This screen right here is going to be for your engines, so all the diagnostics on your engine, you can keep track of that right here on this screen. We got the Simrad, so the Simrad's going to be all your GPS and maps and all the things that help you get around the lake. And then right here is a touch screen that controls pretty much everything else. So your lighting, your stereo, everything else that you want in the boat is going to be controlled right here as well. We do have joystick control. It's obviously 32, so it is a twin engine boat. Very easy to dock. So if you're not familiar with bigger boats, the twin engines are fairly easy to dock because of the nice joystick control. So anybody can do that. They do have cup holders down here. They're only down on this side that are cooled, so cooled cup holders, which is kind of cool. On the 32, we got a nice large head area, so you can go down in there. There's a sink. You can use the head. There's a vacuum flush head as well, with a little bit of storage under as well. And then we come up to the bow of the boat. So the AV32 is very deep in here. You've got sound system in here, you got cup holders, and then this one does have the bow filler. You can take this out if you want to and you can walk around, but very nice and deep. Feels very comfortable when you're out on the water, hanging out with your friends or family. Again, AV32 or Aviara 32. Beautiful looking boat. It is in stock at our Minnesota location, so if you want to take a test drive or just come take a look at it, give us a call and we'll set it up for you. We can get in your hands for this summer. Thanks, and hope to hear from you soon.